Inherited a QW file from old Quicken for Windows backups and need to access your financial records? This legacy format holds years of personal finance data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Quicken for Windows files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like QW. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A .qw file stores financial data created by early versions of Quicken for Windows prior to 2010. 10. Users encounter this file when trying to access or migrate old financial records, such as transaction histories, account balances, and budgets. The primary user intent is data recovery or transfer to a newer Quicken version. The .qw format is a proprietary binary database designed for rapid access and data integrity, crucial for financial software. It contains structured records for transactions, accounts, and categories. This binary structure was chosen for performance and to prevent casual tampering, ensuring the reliability of the user's financial ledger on older hardware. Generally, QW files are associated with Quicken developed by Quicken Inc. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your QW file and select Open With. Check for Quicken first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If you still cannot open your QW file, that is okay. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, opening an older Quicken. Install a Quicken for Windows version compatible with your QW file vintage, typically Quicken 2003 or earlier. Open the QW file via File, then Open. Modern Quicken versions automatically convert older QW files to the current QDF format during the open operation, preserving all financial data. Next, converting to modern Quicken. Open the QW file in modern Quicken, which prompts for conversion to current QDF format. Save a backup copy first since conversion is one way. The converted QDF file gains access to current Quicken features, cloud sync, and mobile app integration while preserving all historical financial data. Finally, exporting to QIF. Export QW data to QIF. Quicken interchange format. Using older Quicken's export function for migration to alternative finance applications. QIF files import into GNU Cache Money, Dance, or YNAB, providing options beyond Quicken when seeking different software for ongoing personal financial management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.